In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file 1099 taxes on TurboTax. We'll walk through exactly where to go inside TurboTax to report self-employment income, like what you receive on a 1099, so you can move forward with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're working in the correct tax year and you have your 1099 forms and any notes about your business activity handy. That will make the process smoother once you're in the right place. Start by navigating to the federal section of TurboTax. This is where all of your federal return entries live, and it's the hub for income, deductions, and credits. Selecting federal ensures that the next screens you see relate specifically to what the IRS needs for your return. Next, hover over income. Don't worry if you don't see a click right away. Hovering simply opens up more options and helps you find the part of the program that focuses on earnings from different sources. This is the quickest way to get to the summary of everything you've earned for the year. Now, choose the wages and income summary. This brings up a categorized overview of your income types, including self-employment. It's a helpful at-a-glance page that shows what you've already entered and what still needs attention. Within that page, look for self-employment income and expenses and select Revisit. If you've been here before, it will say Revisit. If it's your first time, the label might look slightly different, but you're aiming for the self-employment section. This is where TurboTax organizes everything related to your business work, including income that typically shows up on 1099 forms. When prompted, click Yes to confirm that you have self-employment income. This tells TurboTax to prepare Schedule C and related forms, and it covers the typical sources like 1099 NEC for services, 1099K for payment processors, and even income you were paid in cash. Answering yes simply unlocks the guided questions that follow. At this point, you'll likely see a message indicating that to accurately report this income, you'll need to upgrade. TurboTax requires a version that includes self-employment features to handle Schedule C, business expense categories, and the calculations that go with them. Review the upgrade prompt, confirm the plan that includes self-employed support, and proceed so the software can walk you through the rest. From here, TurboTax will guide you step by step through entering your information. A few tips as you continue. Match the amounts you enter to the totals on your forms, save your progress frequently, and use the built-in help if a term is unfamiliar. Take your time and you'll be set up to complete your 1099 reporting accurately.